What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built. So make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Chainlink here, and as you can see, it's still holding that macro, what would you say, channel that we've seen basically ever since its inception here on this chart, at the very least back in, what is this, 2019? Almost 3 years later now, and you can see we've still been holding this uptrend for a long time, which is actually really interesting, isn't it? You can see here, test the top, test the bottom, top, and then we've come down, we've tested the bottom again here, and you can see also just how oversold we were for Chainlink here. The most oversold we've ever been on this chart, actually, on the daily time frame. You can see, you know, we're looking very good, aren't we? I mean, this is incredible, to be honest, to see this. Because you can see that this is just up and to the right over a course of a period of years, isn't it? And you can see we drew this line in from here to here ages and ages ago, and you can see we've actually come down 6 months later from when we drew it. I think we probably drew it in back here somewhere when we were at the top of the range, up at around, what was it, $40–50. We come all the way down here. We're down at like $25 right now, in and around this key level that we have highlighted here. And you can see it's pretty interesting, to say the least, just how much these channels, these kinds of long-term trends and stuff can actually be honored. But anyway, looking at Chainlink here, you can see quite clearly, you know, things haven't been that great recently, have they? Let's be honest about it. Chainlink, it got up to a high in May of around $52 here, and since then, I mean, we've been nowhere near it, have we? We're still down 50% from the all-time high at the very least. And it's just been going sideways, really, hasn't it? Looking like it wanted to break out, but then Bitcoin dragging the market down again. We can see here if we actually draw the Fibonacci in. I might, where should I draw my fib for this? I'd say, you know, we're probably gonna have to draw it from the May to the, this is where we'd probably draw our fib levels in, isn't it? Something like this. Like most of our fib levels, they are pulled from that May high down to the bottom that we saw in June or July. You can see here the bottom being in July here, and we had that big descending wedge, didn't we? We got the breakout and the back test looking really technically good. We come back up into the 618, back down, back up, and then you can see quite clearly here, just trading very technically in and around our Fibonacci levels. I mean, the support and the resistance here quite obvious, and then we roll over with the market, lose support here, lose support here. We roll all the way down to the 023 where we find ourselves a very nice bit of support. You can see here stuck under a resistance, but we do get the breakout, the back test, and then the continuation here. And we're currently stuck underneath that 050 Fibonacci level here, basically making our way back up the fib levels, aren't we? You can see we'll probably come back down here, maybe retest at the 038 at around $22 to $23 there, and then maybe get that continuation back up to around that 0618. You want to be getting back above the 618 really, and then hopefully we can break this swing high here, have a higher high, a higher low, and then another higher high on the macro time scale, getting back up towards some of these levels near the top. So overall, we'd say, you know, Chainlink, it's looking fine, isn't it? It's not breaking any, you know, it's not breaking down crazy amounts of resistance right now, but it is trading very technically and starting to see a bit of a move against Bitcoin as well. You can see here resistance, support, you know, trying to break this resistance again. And you can see quite clearly our short-term price predictions. If we roll back down to this level here, it'll be around that $22 to $23 level. And then heading to the upside, obviously the 618, we're heading up towards that $30 to $31, $32 level. If we're heading to the upside, and then obviously you can see here, Chainlink right now, it's down at the bottom of the channel, isn't it? And, you know, if we do continue holding this channel, eventually we're probably going to come back towards the middle, which will be that $50 target, back up towards the all-time high. And then you can see some of the extensions here. If we're going into March, April, May, maybe even June, we could see, you know, Chainlink $150, $200 if things do continue in this manner. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, Please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.